মিছন APSC ANJ নামৰ ইউটিউব চেনেলটোতে আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিবলৈ লৈছোঁ বেদিক এজ। বেদিক এজৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্টটো আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিলোঁ। আপোনালোকে চোৱা নাই যদি প্লেলিষ্ট ভিজিট কৰিব। আমি আজি ডিছকাছ কৰিম হোম অফ দ্য আৰ্য়ানছ এণ্ড দেয়াৰ মাইগ্ৰেশ্যনছ। অ'কে, মেনি স্কলাৰ্ছ such as Ganganadja, D.S. Trivedi, L.D. Kala, etc. tried to prove that তেওঁলোকে প্ৰুভ কৰিব চাই আছিলে the Vedic Aryans were indigenous peoples but who regarded as a Sapta-Sindhu as their original home. তেওঁলোকে ভাবি আছিলে কি indigenous peoples হয়, but Bal Gangadhar Tiloke এখন books লিখিছিলে Archaic home in the Vedas populated that North Pole was origin from home of Aryans. Okay, different scholars have identified different regions as the original home of Aryans, which include Archaic regions. So Bal Gangadhar যেনেকে কৈছিলে Archaic regionটোৱে তেওঁলোকৰ origins হয় Germany, কিছুমানে কৈছিলে Central Asia, কিছুমানে কৈছিলে Central Europe, then Hungary, Scandinavia, etc. However, majority of these scholars, ভালে সংখ্যক research scholars, believe কৰিছিলে that Aryans emerged from Asia from the regions between the Caspian Sea and South Russian steppes, Caspian but South Russian or price. From there, they migrated to far places in such pasture lands to graze their cattle. According to the group of them migrated in northwest India through the passes of Hindu Kush, that is Saivar, Bolan and Gomal, who came to be called as Indo-Aryans and Aryans. Okay, then populations of Vedas in Northwest India. The Aryans came in several batches spanning several dry years, which resulted in interactions between the enormous inhabitants and the Aryans. One of the important of this process of interactions was the Vedic from Aryan language become predominant in the entire northwest India. So Vedic or Aryan language সেইকেইটাই আমাৰ predominant language আছিলে সেইটো সময়ত the volumetric text composed in the language যিবিলাক আমাৰ literatures আছিল সেইবিলাক আমাৰ Vedic textত compose কৰা হৈছিলে. Then coming to the Vedic literatures, the Vedic literatures were the oldest literatures. Bharat oldest literature was the Vedic literature of the Indo-Aryans, which is perhaps the literature of the whole groups of Indo-European language. Vedic literature comprise the four Vedas. Okay, Vedic literature ত চাৰিখন বেদ পোৱা গৈছিলে in their Samhitas and the allied literatures based on or derived from the Vedas আৰু বা গোটেইখিনি literature এই চাৰিখন বেদৰ ওপৰত বেচিছ কৰি derive কৰা হৈছিলে. Then the Vedas. So Vedasৰ বিষয়ে আমি এতিয়া পঢ়িম. The Vedas, the works Vedas, Veda নামৰ যিটো শব্দ সেইটো come from the root word Ved, Vedৰ পৰা আহিছে, which means to know, কিবা এটা জনা, that is to know. In other words, the term Veda signifies the scared knowledge contains in the text known as Vedic text. So scared knowledge যিবিলাক আছে এইবিলাককে Veda বুলি কোৱা আছে. These are the four types of Vedas. So চাৰিখন Veda আছে, very important: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda and Atharva Veda. প্ৰত্যেকখন Vedaৰ বিষয়ে details জনাটো প্ৰয়োজন because ইয়াৰ পৰা questions আহে. So Rig Veda was the most ancient and the most scared text, which is also is the best source of information on the daily life, religion and philosophical ideas of early Vedic era. So তেওঁলোকৰ যিখিনি দাৰ্শনিক ideas, religions, তেওঁলোকৰ daily life or information সেইখিনি বিশেষকৈ ঋগবেদৰ পৰাই পোৱা যায়. ঋগবেদ was the most ancient and the most scared text, which is the best source of information. Okay, so ঋগবেদত কি আছে আহিব পাৰে. ঋগবেদত 1028 mantras, কিমান মন্ত্ৰ আছিলে 1028 mantras, which are collected in 10 books. to 10টা book আছিলে. These hymns or mantras were collections of prayers offers to various gods. এইখিনি বিশেষকৈ collections of prayers আছিলে যিবিলাক various gods দিয়া হয়, such as Agni, Indra, Jamuna, and the other books 2 to 6 were considered the most ancient ones. Okay, books 1 and X, this 1 and 10 were composed later. Book 10 এ কি কৈছিলে God deals of philosophical reflection as well as evidence of caste system. So ঋগবেদৰ যিখন book number 10 সেইখনে caste systemৰ বিষয়ে কৈছিলে. Samaveda কি হয়? Samaveda is basically collection of melodies. So it is different. Samaveda কি আছিলে? Samvedat কি আছিলে? Melodies কিছুমান আছিলে. It has 1603 verse. Try to remember. Samaveda was called Book of Sons. So it was Sant Hokalor book বুলি কোৱা হয়. And the origins of Indian music can be traced in the same. When he same he tate he sambedote basically the origins of Indian music skinny these were meant to be sung at the time of Soma sacrifice by the priests. So priests generally at the time of Soma সিহঁতি এই ইয়াৰ যিখিনি গান আছে the music আছে সেইখিনি গায় Yajurveda consists of various mantras. Yajurveda কি আছিলে various mantra কোনখনত কি আছিলে মনত ৰাখিব try কৰিব for the purpose of recitations and rules that were to be observed at the time of sacrifice. The two royal ceremonies or yojanas of Raghuveda and Bhajapya were mentioned for the first time in the Yajurveda. Yajurveda was further divided into Krishna Yajurveda, Shukla Yajurveda. দুটা যজুৰ্বেদত ভাগ কৰা হৈছিলে কৃষ্ণ যজুৰ্বেদ and Shukla Yajurveda. Atharva Veda contains shrams and magical spells in verse to ward of evils and diseases. So evils or diseases বিলাক আঁতৰাবলে Atharva Veda আছিলে that magical spells কিছুমান আছিলে Atharva Veda is the highlighted the beliefs and practices of non-Aryans. Non-Aryans বিলাকৰ যিবিলাক beliefs আছিলে practice আছিলে সেইখিনি actually determine কৰে. The Rig Veda was included in the UNESCO Memory of the World Register 2007 signify World Human Heritage. Rig Veda World Human Heritage অংশ হিচাপে গণ্য কৰা হয় 2007 ত UNESCO Memory World Register হৈছিল. Next coming to the Brahmanas. So the Brahmans বিলাক যিবিলাক the Brahmans not to be confused with Brahmanical classes. This and prose texts containing the explanations of the mantras and the sacrificial rituals. Okay. The most important and the most voluminous of all Brahmanas is the Satapatha Brahmana. Okay. It provides us information about sacrifice, ceremonies, theologies, philosophies, and customs and later Vedic age. Then the Aryans. The Aryankas where the forest text deals with musicians and sacrifice and precisely philosophical. Okay, they were written mainly for the hermits and students living in the jungles. They were inserted in the concluding portion of the Brahmans. They are mainly leave their emphasis on medicine. Then another is Upanishad. Upanishads Upanishads are the physiological treatise. The word Upanishad is derived from the root word Upanis, which means to sit down near someone and denotes a disciple sitting near Guru to learn from Guru. There are 108 Upanishads. Amar Upanishad kekhon ase 108 khon ase. The Upanishads are also called Vedanta. Upanishador another naam hoise Vedanta because of two reasons. Firstly, because they denote the last phase of the Vedic period. Vedic period or last phase of utpatti hoisile ei karone hihotok Vedanta boli koa hoy. Next, secondly, because they reveal the final aim of the Veda. Aru second reason to hoise teologe ki korisil Vedar final aim to reveal korisil. The Upanishad condemns the unnecessary rituals and sacrifice. The Upanishads discuss the various theories of creations of universe and also doctrine of actions. Okay. Then come to the gods or universal soul and individual soul. Both Aryans and Upanishads mainly appendices of Brahmanas. Okay. So here the main part of the okay. Next, allied Vedic literatures. Smriti. These are supplementary treatises of Vedas. Smriti meaning remembrance refers to the literature which has been passed from one generation to next. This literature are 6 Vedangas, that is Shiksha, Kalpa, Vyakarana, Nirukta, Sanda, Jyotisha. Okay, and Saddarshan. These are Naya, Samikha, Yoga, Vesika, Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa, etc. 4 Upavedas, that is Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, then Silpa Veda, and then Ayurveda. So ekhine asle allied literatures. So ami next video will try to discuss about the Rig Vedic age. From here the actual Vedic history is come, that is early Vedic age. So ekhine ami discuss korim from next class. Thank you for watching.